paint specifically designed for leather, vinyl, and plastic is very important when trying to keep the original look and feel of the base material. That's why ColorBond LVP is the ideal product for dash panels, seats, instrument panels, steering wheels, airbag covers, convertible tops, mirrors, and exterior trim. Virtually anywhere in the car or boat, it's a flexible spray paint coating that's perfect for the interior of your vehicle. Its molecular bonding properties penetrate into the surface while leaving the supple feel and look of the original material. ColorBond is UV stable and permanent. It will not crack, flake, or peel on flexible surfaces. It also dries to touch in 45 seconds and bonds within 10 minutes. To paint plastic like this dash and door panel, first scuff the surface with a gray scuff pad. Clean with water, and then ColorBond Prep Cleaner. Dry and repeat until completely clean. Clean once more with 70% isopropyl alcohol before applying a coat of ColorBond Adhesion Promoter. Now you're ready to apply your desired ColorBond finish. With an easy vehicle lookup on their website and over 150 plus interior colors available from popular OEMs, you know they'll have the right ColorBond LVP paint for your project. This tip brought to you by ColorBond, a complete touch-up paint solution, inside and out.